In this video, we will go over how to create your zones and set your zone and tax rules. Begin by going over to your settings. We will start off by creating your zones. In this example, let's create a zone for the Boston area. I will select to add a new zone. You will give this zone a name and select a color for the zone. Once you are done setting all your zones, return to your settings. Now we will apply the zone. Go to your zone and tax rules, and we'll select to add a new rule. You can give this rule a name and then specify the address values for where this zone will apply. Since I'm doing the Boston area, I will list a bunch of cities in here that this zone will apply to. You can list a bunch of entries in here, separating them with just a comma. Then you will select which zones and taxes apply to these specific areas. I will select to apply the Boston area zone, which you recall is the purple flag, and also select what taxes apply to this area. Since these are cities in Massachusetts, I will select the Massachusetts tax, and I can continue selecting additional tax levels if they are applicable. Be sure to click on Save to save this rule to your list. Once you are done creating all your zone and tax rules, you can go to add an additional customer. If you already have existing customers and you would like to push this rule out to those existing customers, you can select to apply the zone and tax rules to all current locations. In this example, I will be adding a brand new customer in the Boston area. Let's go over to customers and we will add a new customer. As you can see, I have added Joe Dragone to our customer database. His location is located in Boston. When you go to validate the address, it will sync up to Google Maps to verify the address, and it will also pick up that he is in the Boston area. Since we have created the rule that all Boston area folks will get the Boston area zone flag and also the Massachusetts state tax, Service CEO will automatically pick this up. As you can see, my zone has been set, as well as my state tax. If at any time Google Maps is unable to pick up the area, you can simply select Apply Zone and Tax Rules, or you can manually change the zone and the tax. Let's save Joe to the customer database. Now we will create a job for Joe. We will put in a summary for the job information and schedule the work order for today. We will save this work order, and we will go to view it on the dispatch board. Be sure on your dispatch board that your view includes all zones. When creating the new view, go down to your options and select to show the zone type on the dispatch board. We will select to view today's jobs. And as you can see, in my timeline, I have a job for Joe Dragone, and since he is located in the Boston area, a purple flag appears next to his job cell. This concludes the video on how to set up your zones and your zone and tax rules. Be sure to contact your customer success coach or contact our support team if you have any questions.